My lights did not turn on last night. I'm not sure if it's because of the heavy rain. I checked the connection and the breaker switch downstairs, and everything is good. It's not tripped. So I did some test um, with I thought it's with the bulb, the lights from outdoor. And let's use this one is a good outlet. As you can see, it lit up, so there's nothing wrong with this. No breaker switch trip in any of this. It's actually this, and it's good. So let me check it if I get a reading from my multimeter. So let's put it here so you can see it. And let's see, plug it on this short, and then this. And as you can see, there's no reading. So this outlet is dead. I have to probably fix or replace. So first, let's remove this. Okay. So this is meant for outdoor. That's why they have all this. And let's use the Philips. Wow. After so many years living in this house, this is the first time that I open this. It's been a test of time. Sometimes you will have to replace something in your house. So, well, that's part of your owning a house or keeping it, maintaining it. And this is one of those things. Okay. I will need to replace this. I think I have extra. So now that this might be bad, but there might be some current in there because I have to find out the real breaker switch because they are not tripped. So let's see if this connection here are all good, that nothing really came off or got loosened. Yeah, so looks like all the connections are intact. So this, I wonder why switch goes bad over time, but we'll find out. So in front is the multimeter. I can test the connection actually from using that exposed wire, plugging the short. Let's see, the black is the live. Do we get any reading? I don't. Is the connection bad? Okay, I do get some reading. So here, this one is not that exposed, so let's open it up a little bit. Let's try it again. I got a more exposed wire. So this. Okay, there is some, no. Is there some reading? I cannot see. It's dead. It is dead. Okay, let's remove this also. Okay, I broke it. See? Mm. Ah, remove more. Okay, let's remove the ground. Let's remove this one. I'm not sure if well, there was no brick drape. Okay, now. So this is the old one that I'm replacing. Everything seems good from the continuity perspective. So I'm not sure if this is broken or not. I'm gonna replace it anyway since I remove it with this one. This is a newer version, although it's a reuse, but it's still new. Continuity of this old one is still good. So, but the breaker did not trip, and all the other connections on that breaker, and I have to make sure of that, is still working. So something, I hope it's not that reason, but something is wrong somewhere here. But we'll see. Let's do this anyway. So let's connect this anyway. The black wires goes in here, and if we do it like this, then just to keep the same orientation, this wire here goes at the bottom. So let's do it. I'm just, precaution, I'm using this. What do you call this? Okay. 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 We do the ground here. All good. Putting it on is easier than removing it. But let's test again. Oh, it's really dead. It's really dead. Oh man. Okay, I'm gonna put this back. We're back in business. Look, there's lights. There is lights. And I'll tell you what's wrong. See that? We're back in business. So this one is all good actually, but I replaced it anyhow. Nothing got tripped on the breaker switch in the basement, but my son told me a very important thing. And I remember, oh gee, let me show you. I just realized that this is a GFI switch that is connected to the circuit of the lights outside, and even some lights upstairs. I did not realize it. See, so I tested it, I switch on, reset, and when I did that, this actually got impacted. But now if I turn it off, it's working. Before I did not even notice it. So after all the efforts of using this, replacing the outlet with all this is old anyway and rusty. Charge to experience, as we all say. So nothing really to do with that. It's the GFI switch got tripped, not the breaker switch. And now everything is working again. It got tripped when it rained for 2 days, and we're good. back in business.